Hi, my name is Fabiola Corbera Steimling, author of the best-selling book, Voiceless Customer: Why Customers Leave. I'm founder of Cocentrum, a company focused on educating businesses like yours on customer experience. I have a question for you. Are you finding yourself struggling to retain customers? Improving customer experience is not an easy journey. You want to create a better experience for your customers, but aligning people, processes, and platforms is not an easy task. Actually, it can be somewhat intimidating. There are plenty of approaches out there that are not research-based. They're just opinions or assumptions, making it really hard to identify reliable customer experience solutions. Will you be surprised if I told you that more than 7 out of 10 companies are failing at improving their customer experience? If you don't know where to start, or if you feel you have everything in place and your customers are still leaving you, this workshop is for you. You will learn the elements necessary to successfully retain customers, improve your customer experience, and increase revenue. Here's a sneak peek at what you will learn. Number 1, how to differentiate between a customer experience strategy and a corporate experience strategy. We'll spend a lot of time on this. There are a lot of organizations that talk about customer experience, but in reality, it is a corporate experience because it is what works for the company and not for the customer. Does this sound familiar? Number 2, how do you start looking at your business? Through a customer lens. And what I mean by that is truly understanding and appreciating how your customer experiences the service you offer from start to finish. It is not about assuming or guessing what your customer wants. It is about knowing what they want. Number 3, how to identify and eliminate the barriers impeding your organization's ability to deliver a valuable customer experience. Number 4, how to make a transformational impact. Let me expand on that. It is about changing how you approach customer experience. It is not simply about possibly measuring customer experience data or implementing siloed strategies that in most cases have little or no impact in your overall customer retention. Number 5, understand the role of all stakeholders that are part of your customer experience. And when I say stakeholders, I mean all players, external and internal, involved in delivering your service to your customers. Don't miss this opportunity to be part of one-of-a-kind learning session to help you take your customer experience to the next level. Register below, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Let me help you bring customer simplicity back to your business. Thank you.